Hey everyone, so we got a 10 by 20 and we're going to do a flip and drag. I'm going to use some purples and some black. So I'm going to start with the cup and my WD-40 silicone. This is not for the creation of cells. However, if you do not rub it in the cup, you will get some small cells from it. And you can also put it between your layers of paint if you don't use the treadmill silicone. Move that back. So I'm going to start with black. And I believe this is violet. It's one I mixed up today. This is just a little lighter than that one. I might put some rose metallic in there just for contrast. That's plenty. Okay. Give it a little stir. Place it in the middle of the canvas. And I did not hold that down. Put some white around it. This is not house paint. This is Artist Love Flow mixed with some white craft paint, Floetrol and water. I'm going to move it around so I don't have to tip it too much. Get it closer to the edges. That's a purple there. That's okay. It'll tip. I don't like when I get a leaker. That's okay, we can blow that off there with the airbrush. And it will level itself out. Okay. Let me just wipe my hands. I'm making a mess today. If you watched my last video, I used the ice cube tray that makes the tube ice cubes. That was fun, and it's actually looking pretty good. All right. Gonna see the pink. Kind of puddled there in the middle, and I think it's underneath. I'll just move it just a little bit. It's still filling in. Lots of cells. Excuse me. So I'm just moving it around just a smidge. Still trying to get that purple off of there. I think we're okay now. She's pretty. Wish we would have seen a little more pink. I probably should have put it in the beginning after the black. All right. So I'm going to use my airbrush. It's a master airbrush that I found on Amazon. And I'm going to start over here. You can do this with a straw, and I noticed that Anne Osborne used a empty squeeze bottle. If you do it gently, I think you might be able to use it. She was having fun with it. It's fun to watch. I like watching her use the hair dryer too. That was pretty cool. Check her out if you get a chance. She's my inspiration. Okay, I'll turn it. Lots of paint on my airbrush that time. Crud cutter cleans it right off. Wet a paper towel with it. Wipes right off. You gotta use a little bit of elbow grease, but not bad. That is my Yorkie outside barking. He's 15 years old. Can't hear, and he barks at the wind. There's a lot of paint on there. Then I also have a dog that we rescued from the shelter. Eddie, he's 5. He's a shepherd lab mix. Cute little guy. Well, he's not real little either. He's about maybe 28 pounds, but he's not big like a big lab either. He's just the right size for our house. But he's very smart. He appreciates us rescuing him. He's a mama's boy. He does hang out with my brother-in-law. Oh, and I have not brought my brother-in-law out here to paint. It's just too cold to bring him outside and down around and then sit in the cold garage to paint. I don't think he would enjoy that, so I have not brought him out to paint yet. But it's getting warm. We're supposed to be in the 60s this week, so we'll see. Okay, I'm going to lift it up and give you a peek. I'm happy with it right now. Lots of cells, and I'm going to torch it yet. That little spot where the pink is kind of cool. I wish there would have been just a little bit more. There's some here next to it that's mixed in with the purple. Just popping some air bubbles and bringing up a few more cells. Yep, I'm happy with it. I hope you enjoyed watching. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button below and click on the bell and you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Click like and share the video and leave a comment. And if you'd like, you can join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art, where I'll be posting updates on dried paintings and items that are available for sale. And also we'll be letting everyone know when my Etsy store is loaded. I used to sell jewelry on Etsy, and when all this happened with my brother-in-law, I kind of pulled everything off of there. And I have not relisted, so I have a ton of jewelry. A lot of it's sterling silver. And I've been making acrylic skin jewelry as well. So I'm going to have a lot of things to purchase on my store, along with hand-painted beads. So I will let everyone know when I am ready and open. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.